Welcome to the second video on sketching linear graphs. Now, when we've got it written in this form, our y equals mx plus c form, our general form, we can find the x and y intercepts, but it's a little bit more work. Instead, what we do is we use what do they call the intercept and gradient method. So for the intercept gradient method, you've got your y-intercept right there. So that's the first thing you do. And then you use the gradient to draw a second point. So here's your first point, this is your second point. Or you use that to find your second point. So let's see this thing. We've got y equals 3x plus 2. This one I like because it's graphical. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw this, draw a bit bigger. Now I've got my first point here at -2. So that's going to be somewhere here, -2. So 0, -2. Now my gradient here is 3, m equals 3. So that implies for every 1 that I go to the right, I go up 3. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go across 1 and I'm going to go up 3 to here. So I've gone across 1 and I've gone up 3. So if I've gone across 1, that means I'm at 1, and I've gone up 3, I'm also at 1. And then I draw a line between my 2 points. Now, I like this, doing it graphically, where you say going that 1 unit that way, however many units up, because it just works. If it was a negative gradient, well then we'd be going down 3. If it was a fractional, so say our gradient m was say 2 over 3, well then we say we're going right 3 units and up 2 units. Likewise, if m was equal to -7 over 4, then we'd go across 4 units and down 7. But that's the way we go about that. So we have 1 point. So we find 1 point using our y-intercept. It tells you what that is. And then we look at our gradient. If it's a whole number, it's 1 to the right. If it's positive, we go up that many. If it's negative, we go down that many. And we draw our second point there. And that's the way we go about sketching with the intercept and gradient method.